Good morning, La Familians. This is your boy DTJ La Familia coming to you live. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video that you're about to see. Yesterday, I went to do my hair, but I wasn't going to video it. And my cousin said, let them see how you do your hair. So I decided to video it and show you guys. So I hope you enjoy this little clip that I'm going to show you. This is how we get our hair done in Jamaica. Right now, it's currently done, as you can see. Yes, very beautiful. I like it. She did good. I also went to the barber and got a little clean up. So I'm looking all cute and ready for the girls right now. So it goes. So you just sit back and enjoy this video, and God bless each and every one of you guys. Let's get it. Right, boy, the downtown parade, you know. What's going on, all La Familia? I've just came out of the ear, just looking all smooth and everything, so it's just time for me to get some shape up right now. So I'm gonna go right across the road and get a shape up. It's not that far, and hopefully the camera don't die, because right now it's on about 16%. So you know, I'm gonna try to see if I could get that in it for you. But if not, you know, you just subscribe, like, comment, and share, and remember to join La Familia and family.